Hey, wait. Stop. What are you doing? Okay. Or so you get out and then you're about to come back in. Got no front plate.
They parking back there.
Okay.
They parking like she's doing like.
Sorry, look, I can't see. There's this car right here.
It's parked like we was moving so she could park like literally.
Oh, okay. Well, look, I'm gonna step on this side because I'm stuck right here. That's the only reason why I'm around.
No,
So what
like,
we saw too.
we just pulled out so you could. That's what I'm saying. Like
We didn't see that. We saw you pull out and then you saw us and like pull back in. So it looked kind of funny.
I didn't even look your way. I swear, like
Okay.
not me.
Okay,
I didn't.
We're seeing the car's actions. That's it. That's what looked funny.
Like this is.
Can you roll down the? Can you roll down the back windows so my partner can see?
Ain't nothing.
Can you roll down the windows, please?
Ain't nothing going on. Like literally.
I
Like.
get that. Can you just roll down the windows?
We
so
stay
my
right here and everything. Like.
Look, I understand what you're telling me. Can you roll down the windows so my partner can see in the back because we
Yeah,
can't
it's
see
nothing.
that.
It's like, bro, it's literally like we're cool. Like we stay like.
Okay, just do like she has.
Literally.
Thank you.
The whole thing is they called, they tripping. I told you that.
They caught, bro.
It
Like.
hasn't been.
Look, I see just that like marijuana right there. Anything else besides just that?
No, that's what I'm saying. It just did like literally. We just
All right,
like,
boss.
bro.
I'm just gonna have you step out really quick, all right? Just face the car for me. Just face the car. I know we're in a tight spot. Put your hands behind your back and just walk to the right. I know it's a little bit tight. Keep your hands behind your back and then just walk over to where my partner's at. Stop! Hey, he's running! He's running north. He's going to the front. The front. He's going in the front. The front. Go in the front. Hey, stop. Joystick 2. Let me get a backup for female with the gun. Hoover.
Tollway 73, Tollway 73. You're welcome, traffic.
34, get a backup man with a gun. Hey, put your fucking hand up! Put your fucking hand up! I got it. Watch him. There's a gun under his seat. I'm pretty sure. Just watch him.
Alright, where the back stop? Okay, no.
Joystick 2, let me get a backup for female with the gun. Hoover.
32 meter perimeter. I'm gonna go 7-0 Hoover. Bring it to Estrella and Gonzalo at 7-0. Male black, brown hoodie, blue jeans.
George 32 is requesting a backup air unit and supervisor on a 415 man with a gun.
Eastbound through the houses. Native perimeter 7-0 in Hoover. 6-8 in Hoover. Or 6-9 in Hoover. Estrella.
Yeah.
I know they're saying.
He had a Gucci on.
Male black, brown, grayish hoodie, blue jeans. Fuck, I can't.
4073 has suspect last seen eastbound through the houses, requesting a perimeter to 70 and Hoover, 6-9 and Hoover in Australia. Suspect is male black, wearing a gray blue hoodie and jeans.
George 32, hold there. I need units at 7-0 in Estrella, 7-0 in Gonzalo, 7-0 in Hoover, 6-9 Hoover, 6-9 in Gonzalo, and 6-9 in Estrella. He jumped the fence eastbound towards Gonzalo. Unit coming up Hoover, stop right there and hold that corner.
Requested perimeter 70th in Australia, 70th in Gonzalo, 70th in Hoover, 6-9 in Hoover, 6-9 in Gonzalo, and 6-9 in Australia. Suspect was last seen jumping fence eastbound on Gonzalo.
The airship, you see me on Hoover right here where the blue car's in the driveway. He ran eastbound in that driveway, southbound into the Screen property, and then the citizens are saying he jumped over towards Australia.
Yeah. Okay, I cut you off. Are you the one on Hoover telling me this?
Yeah, Hoover, Gonzalo, Estrella, 7-0 to 6-9. The citizens that are just south of me said he went one south from where I'm at right now.
0. Okay, copy that.
Are you going over the backup identified?
Gary T. Let me get you in at 7-0 Gonzalo. 7-0 Gonzalo.
Right now, okay?
I don't know. He's reaching under the
And
floor.
then another unit at 69 and Hoover.
Archie Log. Roger. Incident 3163.
You want to just close that door for now? So that we can...
Area is requesting 70 Bonsalo, 69 and Hoover.
And then 69 and Bonsalo.
Area is requesting unit 69 and Bonsalo.
Here's your, once he gets his perimeter set, I'm gonna need units to meet at 6 Hoover. I still have 2 in the car.
Okay.
Hey man, go back that way.
Okay, copy that. Looks like we have a tight perimeter. If I get 1 unit or a couple units to meet with their primary on over.
Set no.
Solid 32 Roger.
Basic park. You have a gun on you? You got what? Take him and pat him down.
Solid 15.
Give me the suspect description, please.
Sip out, just let your phone fall to the ground. Just hit it.
Let's go crack. Let's go crack into my phone. I'm not going through. You don't got no gun.
Unit identify only. Area unit still like.
Full safe, one of the 6 matters.
Bishop, can you...
Can I repeat? You're coming in open.
Okay, Bishop, this is Brandon.
Go ahead.
Take him solo, he's not patted down.
What's that back down?
Area unit suspect is going to be a male black wearing gray, no hooded switch. And blue jeans.
What was the citizen reporting?
Okay, copy that.
There's
That
one right
you
here.
were- Okay, Raj. Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta grab
Going to show myself code 6 there. Back on the OE is the commander. You can run into them at 70. Just
fucking grabbed it, bro. He almost got shot.
So you think there's more? The one he
Yes,
had one on him?
he's the driver. When she had him out, he took off, and then
Where's
I was
this one at?
It's right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go through this one.
Identify only.
He didn't have it on him. Hey, Benny, it's not on him.
12 George
He's
30.
running freehand.
George 30 Roger. Units responding to 6.
He ran, he took it out and put it under, because I stayed here when I walked up, and then even when I was up here, he was messing with it.
Hey, AFI, there's BMW keys, like, they tried this one underneath the seat. This one right here.
Yeah. It's his keys.
George 30 incident commander. CP will be on 70 west of.
Hey, let me see your freaking heads. Put your hands top of your head.
Right now.
Put your hands top of your head.
Hey,
Don't fucking do it. Look, the helicopter's overhead, man. They're gonna let the dogs out.
Hey,
We're gonna
there's dogs over there. Unless you want to get big, come talk to us then. All right, that's fine. Just come over here.
All right, come here. Hey, hey. All right. Hey, let me see your freaking heads.
For your safety, please go inside your home or business and stay inside until we have completed our search. To the person or persons who are hiding from the police, make your location known to us immediately. Put down all weapons, open your eyes, and follow directions. If you do not, the police dog will be used to find you. When the dog finds you, do not move, or you may be bitten. You have 1 minute to surrender.
Hold long. Is that open? Inner door? No, fooey. Come on, here. I'm gonna post this, I'll hold this, I'm gonna go around. Here, come on, bud. Here. Let's come here. Come on. Here. Okay. Up. Come with me. Up. No, here. Here. Up. All the way. No, all the way. Wait. No. Here. Rub your Here. Hey, stop fighting the door! Stop fighting the door! Call him. Hurts! Stop moving! Let him go! Rats! Ah, that's boy, come here! Rats! Keep going! Boy! Rats! Come here! Ah, that's a good boy! Rats! Far corner? Far right corner? We'll move out of the way. Ruben, you got it? Or here, Al. Come up. I got it. Get out of the way, dude. Ah, that's a good boy! Rats! Far corner? Where is he at? Far right corner? Get out of the way. Wow, he's gonna be.
Yes! On the ground! On the ground or we're sending the dog! On the ground! Flat down on the ground! Do not move! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry. Look. I'm sorry. Can you get him that way? This is probably your best bet. I'll talk to y'all. Hey, just stand up. Well, he fucked me up right here. Alright, stand up. Yeah, we're good. We're gonna bring him toward that way, dude. Just bring us some light. There we go. I got him out over here. Get down on the ground! On the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! We're good now. Popped out over here. I know. That's why I got to this corner. Just happenstance, I just saw him starting to move.
You can come out this way.
Ruben, you good? Yeah, we're gonna bring us toward that way here.
All right.
Bring us to the left. Here we go.
Came out that, so he's all scratched up coming out of there.
Huh?
That's where he popped out of right there. So he's all scratched up for that.
No, he fucked me up his arm.
I got him out over here. Get it up!